Well, hello, awesome people, and welcome back to my Yes to Branding Success YouTube channel. I'm Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and branding strategist. And if you like tips and tools and strategies and best practices for content creation, branding your business, and digital marketing, this is the channel for you. So be sure and give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, ding ding ding, and every time we do a training video you will get notified. So today I want to talk about 10 types of lead magnets that you can use to build your email list. So let's get started. So grab a pen and some paper and let's get started. So guys, we know that email marketing is huge for us as small business owners, and email marketing will increase your business, it will grow your base, your customer base, and email marketing is just gold mine for helping you convert lookers into bookers. So what is it that will build your email list of subscribers? Lead magnet. So basically a lead magnet is something you give away of value in return for someone's email, okay? And you can put it on your website, and so when people land on your website, your lead magnet is there, something that you created of value, and they want it, and they give you their email for it. So the first type of lead magnet is a resource or toolkit, what I like to call it. So a resource or toolkit can be something where you put the types of tools or resources that a business owner can use to do one particular thing. For instance, if I put a toolkit or resource list together, I could put resources for managing your social media. And so on this toolkit or this resource list, I can have all of the tools that you might need to design a thumbnail, or the tools you need to automate your social media. So a toolkit or resources can be something from your industry where you put all of the tools, or you put some resources that people would need to accomplish one thing. So the second type of lead magnet is a quick start guide. So lead magnets don't have to be long, they don't have to be 10 and 15 or 20 pages. It just needs to be something of value, and people would love to get a quick start guide because it's fast, it's quick, something they can learn and implement right away. For instance, a quick start guide could be how to get started with Instagram. So you could put a quick start guide together, something from your industry that people could just have this little guide, and it quickly gets them started with one particular thing. The third type of lead magnet is what we call a cheat sheet, and people really like them. A cheat sheet could be a one-page PDF where it goes through a process of something. For instance, a cheat sheet could be how to create a Facebook ad. And so on that cheat sheet, it can be one page, it's a PDF, and you just go through the process of how to create a Facebook ad. So the next one is a checklist. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to make a lead magnet with a checklist, and it lets people know all of the things that they need to check off for a particular process or a particular design or something that they may need to do. So for instance, a checklist can be something that you put together that shows people something from start to finish. I could do a checklist on how to make sure you're ready for video marketing. These are the things. Check, here's your equipment. Check, here's your microphone. So basically a checklist will help people be able to check off this list for one particular thing from start to finish. So number 5, I think this is a great lead magnet, and people will be willing to give their email for it, and it is an email scripts. So many people are trying to figure out how to get started with email marketing, how to build their emails, how to get people to open them. So what if you put together a lead magnet where you had email scripts. And in other words, you just had like content or information that they can download and they can kind of manipulate and use their own words, but you gave them a script. Sometimes people say, I don't know what to write in the email. So if you put together 4 or 5 email scripts, like one could be a welcome email script, one could be a services email script, one can be a things to do or how to do something. So if you put together email scripts, maybe 4 or 5, that would be something people would gladly give their emails for. Number 6 is an email course. So you can put together a 3-day email course from your provider. I use Constant Contact. ConvertKit is good. MailChimp is good, where you automate a free 3-day email course. And so if people want to take the course, they will give you their email. And so in the free 3-day course, day 1, you could talk about how to do something. Day 2, you can give them some action plans on things to do. And then day 3, you can even introduce your services. Number 7, so if you're writing a book, or you're putting together an ebook, or you have a series of blogs that you put together, you could give away a sample chapter from that ebook or sample chapter from your book that you're writing and give that away as a lead magnet. And that could do 2 things. You can get emails from that, and you can also get people interested in actually buying your book. So putting together a sample chapter from your book or your email or blog series that you put together is a great lead magnet to give away, so that you can get emails plus sales for your book, whether you're writing a book or you're thinking about writing a book. So number 8, you could give away a free mini course. So let's say you put together a series of 3 or 4 short videos on a mini course. For example, I have a course on content creation tips. So I can put that little mini course together, like a 3-minute video, 2 or 3 of those videos, giving people tips for content. And so that can be a segment of a bigger course that I might have. So then people would give their emails for it and even perhaps take the course. You can do that through Vimeo. You can just upload your videos to Vimeo, short little videos, 3 or 4 of them. It's a mini course. You can make that private on Vimeo, and when people give you their email, they get the link to take the free course. Number 9, this is a fun one. You can offer a quiz, and so people like taking them. They like to figure out the results. They like to know, what they need to do to maybe improve on something. So you can use a plugin. It's free. It is called a Copycats, and Copycats lets you put a free quiz on your website. So people can take the quiz, and then if they want to get the results, they have to give you their email to get the results. So putting a quiz as a lead magnet is fun, is quick, and is something that people like. And the last one is number 10. So you could offer a live training or a pre-recorded webinar. And so you could do a Zoom meeting. You can teach a concept in your webinar, tape it with Zoom or GoToMeeting, make it recorded, and then people can actually give you their emails if they want the recording of the webinar. So guys, these are 10 great lead magnets. And like I say, a lead magnet is something you give away of value. It doesn't have to be long, in exchange for people's emails. So every website needs a lead magnet. This is how you get emails. This is how you grow your email list. And this is how you turn lookers into bookers. And be sure and check out our other videos. I'll give you the description and the link below on email marketing. I have a video on blogging. I have a video on content tips. So be sure and give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, ding, ding, ding. And every time we do a video, you will get a notification. And so be sure and visit our website at MarshaLynnHudson.com, because I have a lot of free resources there to help you build and brand and grow your business. And so until next time, guys, join me in saying yes to branding success.